Hey guys, as you can see, we're live at 10:31. I got 40 spots. I'm going to copy while I'm down here, and I'm going to take them over to random here in just a second. We're running a first and last mini here for this beautiful blue painted helmet, Boba Fett. He's pretty awesome. Somebody's going to be happy. I got 5 winners here. Top 5 claim spots in the main. We got our 40 entries, which is nice. Gonna roll the dice, gotta get at least a 5 for action. We got a 9er. We're in great shape for some battles. Here we go. Mike takes round 1. Jason 2. Eric 3. Mike again on top in round 4. Don 5. Eric 6. Slowly Eric comes in at in the top spot for round 7. And round 8. That time with number 2, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Mike, Eric, Steve a couple of times, and Eric again. Congratulations, guys. Here's our official results. SLDSZI. There's our results again. I am done at 10:33 p.m. There it is. One more time, here's our results. Congrats, fellas. See you in the main. Thanks.